Apple Watch SE, GPS, 40mm, gold aluminum case with pink sand sport band. Smartwatches are available in many different colors and designs. Features. 1. Take calls and reply to texts, right from your wrist. 2. Track your daily activity on Apple Watch, and see your trends in the Fitness app on iPhone. 3. Track new Tai Chi and Pilates workouts, in addition to favorites like running, yoga, swimming, and dance. 4. Hike smarter with built-in compass and real-time elevation readings. 5. Stay on top of your health with high and low heart rate, and irregular heart rhythm notifications. 6. Apple Watch can detect if you've taken a hard fall, then automatically call emergency services for you. 7. Emergency SOS lets you call for help when you need it. 8. Sync your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. For more information and product purchase, please check the product link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the JVR channel too to help us.